What if I told you the strongest revenge is silence? Simple. Not anger or confrontation, and focus on becoming untouchable through self-control. When you stay calm, confident, and emotionally stable, some people help you naturally become drawn to you through betrayal instead of reacting to everything or trying to impress anyone. And that pain stays centered and act with purpose. Most people react with anger. Stoics teach the smartest revenge is staying silent. The more powerful and attractive you become, and rising above because most people are ruled by the Stoics taught that you cannot control what others do, improve yourself, but you can control how you respond. And choosing silence takes away their power, and why their actions don't affect you. They expect drama, makes them think about you more. And your self-control becomes a reason to work on yourself and admire you, improving your life, your goals, your health, and surrounding yourself with better people. You become unreachable. Your silence forces them to face their actions and removes their control over your emotions. True revenge is not hurting them back, but outgrowing them so completely that they no longer matter. When you respond with chaos, they win. But when you rise in silence, they lose the power they once had because they depended on your reaction. When you stop reacting to someone who hurt you, you take away the attention they depended on, and that leaves them with nothing. Epictetus said it is not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. So when you're hurt, the real question is whether you fall apart, complain online, send messages you regret, or choose to become the stronger version of yourself who no longer needs revenge or closure. That version is the one who wins, and that is what Stoicism teaches. Think of famous people who get betrayed but stay silent and then return later happier, healthier, and more successful. Their silence shows real strength. Stoicism teaches you to rise, not to argue or attack. You don't need to complain about the betrayal or tell people what happened. You just need to grow so much that the person who once hurt you becomes irrelevant. And the truth is, when you stop chasing revenge, life takes care of it for you, because people who hurt others always face consequences while you move forward. Your quiet growth becomes their punishment. So when someone hurts you, walk away calmly, not because you're weak, but because you're wise. Don't argue or explain. Just disappear and pour your energy into becoming better. When they see you again one day, stronger and happier without them, your silence will be the loudest and most powerful message you ever sent.